but sometimes we get over indulgent in the technology, and what happens is we either the screen time increases. For example, if we are watching our mobile in front of child continuously apart from the work mobile or laptop, so what happens is they slowly start to role model us. That is how the parenting happens, right?
Yeah.
So once they start observing that a father or a mother is holding her phone for a longer time, just browsing or surfing, doing not serious thing, right? Holding the phone on the bed or just sitting leisurely on sofa and watching the phone. I think child also starts asking at a certain point, maybe after 3 or 4 years, the child will also slowly start to ask that you are watching, so what's wrong if I watch? Give me also the phone. I've
True.
seen some of the parents facing this. So in order to avoid that, in order to overcome such things, it's not just getting into such habits of watching the phone. It's waste. It's you know, it changes our biological things. In fact, in our body, because
Right.
when we see the phone for longer hours after, at least before going to bed, then even every cycle, like the sleep cycle, also gets disturbed. So in order to avoid all that, and it also has severe impact on the DNA because everything starts small, right? So once it becomes big, I think definitely there will be the impact even on the DNA aspect. So I think we should definitely have that control over the technology usage, and we need to have the some time slots so that we'll have the right usage of it. Just keeping your phone away before 1 hour, like going before 1 hour of going to bed, or morning immediately after you wake up, we try to check for the phone as if it is our body organ, right? So instead of that, just giving that time of 30-40 minutes and then checking your mails or whatever messages. I think these small things and clearing off the junk from the phone also makes lots of sense. These look simple, but
Yeah.
when we try to apply, it takes time, and then we will realize that importance of it.
Right.